So if you like to use presentations from Keynote or PowerPoint in your YouTube videos, there are a lot of ways that you can set those up and bring those into your show, into your streaming platform, into your video, whatever it is you're doing. There's a lot of ways that you can do it. Some are complicated, some are not, but in this video, I want to share with you one simple way that I use and that I think would be helpful for a lot of you that you can use to create slideshows and use them in your presentations and your live streams and your videos. Very simply, very little overhead, little work. In this video, that's what we're going to talk about, and we will do that right after this. Just hit record. So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Ken, the content coach, and on this channel, I like to give you tips and tricks, easy ways to help make your processes simpler, give you tips and tricks, Q&As, encouragement, anything that I can do to help you be successful on YouTube, to help you hit that record button so that you can get your content out there. Again, everybody has a reason to create content. Everybody has a story. Somebody needs yours. So let's get on it. All right, in this video, once again, I just want to share an easy way that I use to share Keynote or PowerPoint presentations into my videos and my live streams. There are a lot of ways to do this. Some are complicated, some are not. This is a super simple way. So we are going to do this through a demonstration to show you exactly what I do. Hey, if you're into this type of content, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and of course, hit that thumbs up. That helps the channel more than you know. Definitely want to make sure that you don't miss future videos if this is the type of content you're looking for. So what I want to share with you is a Keynote presentation that I'm going to create. I'm going to actually add some slides to it and then show you the way that I export it so that I can bring it into my presentations. So what I have done is set up a Keynote presentation with 3 slides. I'm going to add images to those 3 slides so that we can set up a slideshow, and then I'll show you how I export those so that I can play them during my live stream, my videos, whatever it is I want to use it for. So as we go over to Keynote, you're going to see that presentation set up. I have 3 slides ready. All right, and I did take some screenshots last night that we're going to use for this. So I'm simply going to drag those screenshots onto, we're starting with slide 1. I'll drop this one here. We'll get it sized out the way that we want it. Good there. Now we will go to slide 2. And while I'm doing this, I will mention that these slides here that I'm setting up, these images are from Weatherbeard Supply Company, a beard product company in Ohio, one that I'm a huge fan of. And actually this image here, this is a collaboration that I did. This is my other channel logo. So Bluegrass Bay with Weatherbeard. I can save you money on Weatherbeard. If you have a beard, want some great products, check these guys out. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. So that's slide 2. Now slide 3, I'm also going to drop an image on. So we will drag this over also. Get it sized out the way that we want. And for our purposes, this is good. All right, so this is the way to set up a Keynote presentation. Again, we're only dealing with picture slides here for simplicity, but you can do videos, you can do all kinds of different things with Keynote. For the purposes of this video, I just wanted to create a 3-image slide so that I can show you how I export this. So we have our slides done. Now, it's true that in Keynote, you can simply hit the play button and it will play the slideshow. So now what you see on the screen is the slideshow that we have. And of course, on the other screen is the slide, the presentation view, so that you can see what slide is next and things like that. PowerPoint does the same thing. Me particularly, I don't like that very much. I'd want to be able to just have the slides open very simply without having to worry about extra things popping up on the screen while I'm starting my stream or my video, whatever it is I'm doing. So what I do, instead of actually using this straight out of Keynote, I'm actually going to go up to File, and I'm going to export this as a PDF. Now this is going to make it simple. It's going to create one file for you. I usually like to have the image quality at best just to make sure you get the highest resolution possible. We'll go Next, and we'll name this, we'll go Test Stream. That'll work. And we're going to save that. Okay, I'm going to close Keynote. And I'm actually going to open up the presentation that we just started. Okay, so now here's the presentation. We can actually maximize this, and you can also go to View and Full Screen Mode, or you can press Command L. We'll take you into full screen mode. You will see now what'll pop up is that we are in full screen. So now I have a presentation on my screen. My other screen is free. I don't have to worry about the presentation view from Keynote or from PowerPoint popping up. And now I can use this just simply by either clicking on the images over here on the slideshow or using my arrow key. So we'll go through this slide. I'm going to hit the arrow key. There's the next slide. You see it pops up very nice. Or I can click on the actual image. So we'll do that. Goes to the next slide. And just like that, we're able to go through a slideshow presentation without having to worry about extra stuff on one screen. Very simplistic way of building this so that if you want to have some images shared on your screen for things like Streamyard, where you have basically one screen share view, instead of having to switch out pictures or minimize, maximize things, this is an easy way to be able to show your presentation with very little overhead. The whole setup of that took about 5 minutes, if that, and it's a very simple way of doing it. And so hopefully that helps you out a little bit. This is a short, simple video, but I did have the question asked to me a couple of days ago, what is the easiest way to share a slide presentation during a live stream or during a video? And so this is, to me, this is my preferred method of doing a quick and simple, easy slideshow setup, able to share on your screen with very little work, easy to set up, not complicated at all. So hopefully this helps you with that. And again, there are tons of ways to do this. There are tons of things built into Keynote and PowerPoint, the different ways you can export. You can actually bring video into Keynote, stuff like that. But again, I wanted to keep this simple, and that's what we've done here. If you have any questions about anything that's in this video, or if you have any other tips on using Keynote or PowerPoint in your videos, do me a favor, leave a comment down below in the comment box. Again, if you're into this type of content, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and if this video brings you value, hit the thumbs up. Again, it's short, it's simple, but on this channel, that's what I want to do. I want to bring you some of the simplest ways to do things as you're starting to build your channel and as you're learning things, so that you're not kind of crippled by, stuff being too hard and things being, too technical or complicated. I want to give you simple solutions, and I think this is a great simple solution for doing this. If you need more information about Ken the Content Coach or just hit record, anything that we're doing here, check out the website, kenthecontentcoach.com. On kenthecontentcoach.com, you will find links to the blog, affiliate links. Everything we have going on here is accessible from that website, links to videos, all kinds of things there. If I can do anything for you, if I can help you in any way, hit me up in my email, ken@kenthecontentcoach.com. That is also available on the site and on the screen here. All social medias, any way that you can reach out to me. If you need help, definitely let me know. I'll be glad to help you out with anything in content creation. And until the next video, guys, I hope you have a great week. Remember, just hit record, and we will see you next time.